Okay, welcome back, traders. John Caruso coming to you here from the floor of the CME Group on behalf of RJO Futures. We're here to discuss the currencies for the day. First, we're going to take a look at some of the data that came out this morning. We did see a series of manufacturing numbers that came out. PMI in line with expectations, 51.9. ISM manufacturing, 50.9, also in line. For the most part, equity prices traded higher throughout the day. However, we did close well off the high. The S&P closed down around 1607. We did see the U.S. dollar coming into the session under a little bit of pressure. We did finish at 83.21, down modestly on the day, about 16, 17 points. 83.20, that is a support bar, so we did close on some support there. However, I would look for maybe a push down to 82 to 81.85 in the next couple of sessions. Still, ultimately, I do have a target at the May highs upwards around 84.50 to 84.60. Look for maybe a little bit of a bout with that 84 level as well. That'll serve as a pretty good resistance level as well. Looking at the euro currency, up 47 ticks on the day. We did see some data come out of Europe last night. Their jobless claims actually pushed to an all-time high and are expected to push higher. However, the euro ignored that data. We finished around 130.70. We did hold that 130 level. That's a critical support level for the euro currency. So 130 is your support bar, and we got some resistance. Next resistance area comes into play upwards around 131 to 130, up in that 30-point zone. Looking at the Aussie real quick, we did rebound strong today. We finished up 74 points on the day, traded at 91.81. We may see some consolidation for the next few days. We may have caught a bid in the Aussie as well with the bid that we saw in the metals markets. Of course, the Australian dollar trades relatively correlated with the gold trade, also with the crude oil trade. It's a commodity-driven currency. However, the chart is still ultimately bearish. We were very oversold, so perhaps this is a little bit of a correction from an oversold state. Looking at the Japanese yen real quick, down 40 points on the day. We did see the Nikkei push higher. The correlation there is weak yen, strong Nikkei, weak Nikkei, strong yen. I would look for that to maintain over the next couple of sessions. We finished right around 147 in relation to the U.S. dollar. Strong open in the Japanese Nikkei tonight, I would expect. Could also push that yen, the September Japanese yen, through that 100 mark tonight, but we're going to watch that very closely. So once again, it's 4th of July coming up. We do have abbreviated markets on Wednesday as well as on Friday. Enjoy your holiday. I'll see you back here next week. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to reach me at RJO Futures at 800-669-5354. And as always, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.